Attack again. Yeah, let's go. Be Christian, go.
Go.
Take him down.
Put him down. There you go.
You failed. Fast.
Run.
Somebody chase him.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Attack Jeremy.
Go, Jeremy. Go, Jeremy.
Good. Take him down.
Have his back.
Good. Christian, stay out. Christian, stay out. Who's next? Who else didn't go?
Max, attack. Go, Christian. Come on. Other foot. Step with the other foot. Good. And sweet. Stay low.
He's the problem. See? You playing the game soft. Attack. Keep your eyes on him. Look at me. These can't be over there and he attacking you. Deal with him. You got it? Good. Come on. Get mad at him. Go. Get in. Take him down. Roll in.
Other foot.
Roll
Switch.
Ow. Let's go. Other leg. Step deep. Sweep him. He still got his base. You got to break him the other way. You got to get strong. Come on.
You doing the same thing that we told somebody else.
You beat up. Engage. If you don't, the enemy comes again. He has no mercy. Get up. You got to get over it. Attack. There you go. Look at me. It's a fear. I got to get it out of you because not you're going to always be angry at the wrong people. We're trying to help you and you're angry at us. We can't let you hold it. Good. Let it out. Yeah. Let it out. Come and sweep you again. Breathe. Breathe it tough. Strong. Good. Now relax. Take it. There you go. Get up. Come on. Attack. Come on. Good. Now do me. Come on. Come in strong. That's what I need. Strength. Good. Take me. Strong. Come on. Take it. Good job. Listen. As long as you hold that anger, it's going to eat you. And you're going to turn against people who care about you. You hear me? I don't deserve your attitude. Elisha, Jason, none of us in here do. We're trying to help you. That energy you need is on the people out there that's hurting you, who talk about you. You got to stand up for yourself. You understand? You can't keep holding it. We know why you're angry, but you got to use that on the right people, not us. We love you. You got it? All right. Fall in. Let's go.
Fall in, everyone.
Good. So the goal for y'all is take your mind out of it and just go. Just sweep. Get into the ground. All right? Good. Even if you don't know everything or remember everything, get them to the ground. Knock it out. All right?
Strong. Come over here. You see how you got that lesson twice today? At the beginning? No, that was the class. Yes? Oh, come on, guys. Now apply. All right? All right? You got it. There you go. Proud of you, boy.
Look at me. And I'm not going to hurt you. I want you to respect me because you care about me, not because you're scared of me. You got it? All right? Proud.
I was trying to see a teacher.
Yeah.